Hey everyone, in this video we are going to explore a powerful Linux feature that can save your time and reduce repetitive typing, the alias command. Alias. If you often type long commands again and again, this is exactly what you need. So what is the alias? The alias command allows you to create shortcut for longer commands. Instead of typing full command every time, you can define shorter version. For example, let's set up alias ll equal and command ls minus la. Now whenever you type ll, the Linux will automatically execute ls minus la. This substitution happens inside the shell before the command is executed, making it fast and efficient. Let's clear the screen. The general syntax looks like alias, name, and equal command. This is general syntax. Always use quotes whenever your command contains spaces or special characters. So, for example, alias ll equal ls minus la. So this is wrong, incorrect. And you see bash alias dash la not found. So the correct syntax is within quotes. This one. Also remember, aliases are case sensitive. ll and ll are treated as different commands. To list all aliases, you can type alias. And you see all aliases in our system. To show a specific alias, you can type alias ll. And you see specific alias. To remove an alias, you can run on alias ll. And ll, we see command not found. To remove all aliases, you can run on alias minus a. But I don't want to run this command at this moment. But anyway, by running this command, you can delete all aliases. When you create an alias, normally, it's work only in the current terminal session. Let's create one alias disk space equal df minus m h disk space. Once you close the terminal, this alias disappears. To make an alias permanent, you need that to it in configuration file. In this file, .bash rc. Let's add this command echo alias disk space equal df minus hm to tilde slash dot bash rc. Enter. Let's reload configuration file source tilde dot bash rc. Now our disk space alias permanently set up in our system. As I mentioned, you can delete alias by running an alias and our alias, for example, disk space. In this way, you can delete an alias disk space, enter. To verify, let's run type -a disk space. If it's removed, you will see not found. Clear the screen. So that's it for the Linux alias command. If you want to work faster, smarter in the terminal, aliases are must-have tool. Try creating your own alias today and optimize your workflow. Don't forget like, subscribe, and check out more Linux tutorials on SRE Chronicles. Thank you. See you in the next one.